Hi guys, just back with another video on the MT-10 SP belly pan. We've got it back from our painter now, so we've just fitted it this morning along with the infill panels onto our bike, and it's looking good. Very happy with the colour matches, and the fitting's pretty straightforward, but we just wanted to kind of show you what it takes to fit them, the bracket kit, what you receive in the pack, etc. So yeah, they're both simple. The belly pan, 3 brackets, and all the fittings that you require, and you basically just bolted them into the bottom of your head engine casings there, and one that's kind of hanging out front on a bracket. That gives you all your mounting points. So once you've got those in, it's basically 4 bolts into the belly pan, and it's located. It can only sit in one position, so you can't really get the alignment wrong or anything like that. It goes straight on. And the infill panels there, again, 2 brackets are required, which we supply. They're fitting underneath the air intakes, which you can see here. So once you've got those in, that gives you the extra mounting point, and you've just got 2 existing mounting points. So it's 3 points on each infill panel basically. Yeah, does a great job of improving the look of the bike and just covering that gap up. I can't understand why Yamaha left that on this model, but yeah, we've got those fitted there. So there you go, that's all of those bits fitted. We're going to try and take that top MT-10 SP logo sticker off the air intake, because I think it's a little bit much with 2 of them next to each other. So going to get the heat gun out, see if I can get those off without making a complete mess of it. Yeah, if you've got any thoughts, any questions, anything you want to know, drop us a line, drop us a comment, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.